All right, I am in need of some help from you, or if you know somebody who has the solution, please forward this video to them. My dog, this is Omi, say hello, he got a little sick last week, and he had an accident all over our living room carpet. Can you see the stains here? Well, we don't know what this is. We actually attempted to clean it. Don't worry, it's not the actual diarrhea, sorry. But this little guy right here is responsible. So what we did, we actually tried to clean the carpet using baking soda and vinegar because we were out of the regular carpet cleaner, kind of our go-to for stains on the carpet, right? So we came down and we saw this huge mess. We put baking soda on it and then let it sit, and then put some vinegar on it, and it bubbled up. So it either cleaned the carpet too well, or there's still baking soda left inside or in the carpet. If you put a little vinegar on there, it does seem to bubble up a little bit, but no matter what we try to do, we can't get rid of this white streak. You can see there's several spots and streaks happening still. So I wanted to put this question to you, the YouTube audience. I will open up comments down below. I would love to hear what your input is on what the solution is. Should we DIY carpet clean it, like rent something, or should we have it professionally cleaned? Should we try more baking soda, more vinegar, or what do you think? So really appreciate some help. Thank you so much. Come here. Good boy. You're a good boy.